Betty or not? Now let us decide using technical analysis which one actually stands a chance to pump higher in as far as the languages of the markets are concerned. Remember, languages do speak the technical analysis, or in terms of the analysis, the price action. Let the price action do speak. Now when we do look at this particular chart of this Betty here, is actually looking amazing. That's the fact. Why am I saying it is looking amazing? It's that it is following what we do call the normal structure of the market, whereby we normally receive an impulse. That if the market is bullish, we receive an impulse to the upside. That if the market is bullish, we have received that impulse to the upside. Then after the impulse, we normally took off some profit. So we took some profits, giving us a pullback, which came in 3, being a WXY kind of a pullback. That's what we do call a zigzag kind of a correction. Now if we have received a zigzag, then after a correction we are supposed to receive what we do call another impulse in a direction of the trend. So right here we are starting that impulse, which is going to be in a direction of the trend. We are receiving that impulse that is going to be in a direction of the trend. How is it actually behaving? This is the one that is actually starting to develop right here. If you actually focus on this thing right here, is the start of that impulse with its wave 1 already in play. Now why do we call this thing actually labeled with the blue background or with blue boundaries the wave 1? Now it is simple. When you look at this thing, you will understand that this is a wave 1 here, this is a wave 2 right here. The wave 2 is this 1 2 3 here, giving us a wave 2, giving us also a wave 3 right here. That is still in play, and we have 1 2 3 to the downside, the wave 4, and then the wave 5 right here. Now this structure here confirms one thing: a leading diagonal. A leading diagonal leads the start of a new trend. Now that we have been in a trend which has been a retracement to the downside, we are starting a new one which is going to be a continuation to the upside, and we have started it with a leading diagonal with 1 2 3 4 5. Now leading diagonal raise comes with the price action of wave 4 here actually interacting with the price territory of wave 1, which is already there, confirming a diagonal. It is taking a shape of what we do call a cone, call it a conical shape. That's normally a shape of a diagonal. And after the wave 1, we can confirm that we have another wave 3 right here. So we have another structure that is having 3 waves, like 1 2 3 1 2 3, and a move to the downside, which is simply ABC, or you can label it WXY, which is confirming our wave 2 right here. So we have a wave 1, wave 2, and after the wave 2 we started that impulsive wave 3. Now this impulsive wave 3 is the one that has got the capacity to take us into something like 100 million by market cap on Betty. In my own opinion, Betty is actually going to continue skyrocketing, and this one is the real Betty, because it has got all the price movements and all the trajectory of what you do call a bullish market ever since the beginning. You can see right here that it is also it also started with an impulse, gave us a correction. After a correction, it pumped. The same thing that is likely to actually repeat itself right here, whereby we do have an impulse, gave us a 1 2 3, and then we are expecting a move to the upside. As simple as that. So we are expecting continuation onto Betty, and in my own opinion, this could be the real Betty, the one by Siggy, the one by Crypto Gains.